Hello partner. The most common alternative to hiring a marketing agency is to do it yourself. And usually, the reasoning for the person that thinks about this is that he or she will save money. Well, let me start off with an example so we can create a context. But before I do so, I know this might be annoying to you, but I still have to kindly ask you to like this video, subscribe and comment, and thank you for doing that. So, let's say you need a dental implant. Are you going to try and learn how to do it yourself just so you can save $2,000? Or are you going to go to a professional to do it for you? This is called congruency of thought. And this is an example of broken congruency of thought. You would seek professional help when it comes to your oral health. However, you would choose to do it all yourself when it comes to promoting or marketing your business, even though you recognize the importance of it. The importance of effectively marketing your business. This shows that your thoughts, beliefs and values do not align with your actions. In other words, there is an inconsistency in your decision-making process where you recognize the importance of professional help in one area but not in another. Now, this could be because you don't value marketing your business or actually your business as much as your oral health. However, if you choose to do it all by yourself, I would strongly recommend that at least you choose the right channel. And I explain what the right channel is in the video that appeared on the screen now. I would strongly suggest you watch this video after you finish with this one. Back to the topic of today. But let's take your business, for example. Maybe you are a massage therapist, a chiropractor, maybe you own a cleaning company, or maybe you're actually a dentist yourself. Why do you think your customers, your patients, your clients have to come to you instead of self-servicing themselves? Well, for the obvious reason. You spend years learning your craft, and even more years gaining experience and developing your expertise. As an example, I left my home country at the age of 19, right after I turned 19, to go at the university in Copenhagen, Denmark, and learn what I'm now teaching. I've worked with countless of business owners from so many different fields. I work with massage therapists, martial art clubs, meat producers and butchers, driving schools, window and door companies, security system providers, coffee shops, laser hair removal salons and beauty salons, online course sellers, dentists, and even a university promoting their programs to potential students. Even though we are still learning just like you, I and the people in my team, we spent years acquiring the knowledge and the expertise in order to be able to produce the results we're producing now. So, should you hire a marketing agency or do it all yourself? Well, it all comes down to how important marketing your business is for you. And I'm not saying by any means it's bad if you do it yourself. However, you should consider two things. Number one, yes, there are plenty of courses about Facebook ads or Google ads. There are so many books on marketing and copywriting that you can find and buy from Amazon. Really, there are even free videos here on YouTube that you can learn from. But the question is it really worth it? Worth it for you? It's like learning to do the job of an accountant because you need an accountant. Would that be worth it? Besides, you have to consider all the trial and error you need to go through in order to master the skill, and the fact that you will not be doing this for 8 hours a day. And how much can you probably allocate for this? Maybe 1 hour a day? Now think about it. I am doing this 8 or 10 hours a day, and this is how I did it in the beginning as well. And if you can only allocate 1 hour a day, then it will take you 8 or 10 times longer to learn. Don't you think your time is much more valuable than that, and that it can be spent wisely somewhere else where it can grant you a better return on your investment? And talking about that, the second thing you need to consider is the financial value of your time. Maybe if you just do what you are good at and what you enjoy doing, maybe that is a much better option for you. How? Let's say an hour of your time doing what you're good at and what you actually enjoy doing grants you $100. Wouldn't them be better to work an extra 2 or 3 days doing what you are good at and what you enjoy doing, and then just pay someone else to do what you don't know that much about? Just think about it. And since we came to this, I must let you know that I'm the owner of Efficient Marketing, a marketing agency that uses efficient marketing in order to help you serve more people and make more money with your business. And we will effectively advertise your business on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Google. If this sounds interesting to you, I would strongly recommend you schedule a free online meeting with me or a member of my team by typing the link that appears on the screen into your browser. Alternatively, you can find the link in the video description below by clicking on More. See you next time, partner.